Hi, welcome to my Prezi reflection on games and education. Naturally, you're already in the introduction slides, so I just wanted to talk a little bit about what drove me to design this Prezi the way that it is currently designed. When I was reading Guy's chapter on video games and their use in education, one of the opening lines was, "Video games are good for learning, but not because they are games." I immediately started thinking about the great media debate that we had in instructional technology class about how Clark said that media will never influence learning because what influences learning are instructional strategies. On the other hand, Cosma said that that was an excessive schism between instructional strategies and media and technology. Um, and both are right to some degree. Video games in themselves or any kind of technology does not improve education on its own. It's the fact that they can augment or improve or increase uh, the experience of the student and the instructional strategy that improves education. So this Prezi was designed with that in mind. I picked out a few uh, instructional strategies that I thought that are great about video games, and that's what the next few slides here are going to be about. So first, we're going to talk about situated meaning. After that, we're going to talk about embodiment, followed by aesthetics. We're also going to talk about tangential engagement. And we're going to end this Prezi with just some remaining questions about some potential difficulties for instruction that video games might actually pose that I have questions about, and I would like to learn more about it during this semester. And there will be a slide about works cited as well.